Hello guys, I am Vipul Chaudhary. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do this project Doggler shape of Android basics in Kotlin. So let's see what's the app. So final app is looks like this. It has three options: vertical, horizontal, and grid. If we click on vertical, we will see a view of a dog's picture, name, and his hobbies. And if we click on horizontal, we will see a horizontal view, scrolling view. We have this, and third option is a grid. So we will have to show the grid view in this. So these are the requirement of this project. So let's start. So first you must have downloaded the starter code and you must have tried. So download from here code, and I already have downloaded. So let's move to the Android Studio. Here is the file. First we will do some to-dos. What are these to-dos are? So in adapter we have 11 to-dos, and in layouts we have some 3 and 3 6 to-dos. So these are to-dos. We use here we have to make data variable, as here we have data already provided, and here we have to initialize the UI items. I mean, what are the item? So item is if dog picture, dog name, dog age, and dog hobbies. We have to initialize here, and here we have to inflate the layout, and here we have to bind. I mean, we have to set the resources. Like for first dog, what's the name, what's the image, what's the age, what's the hobby. We have to bind here. So that's our work. So let's start with first we will make layout. So in layouts there is a file create list item. So here are to-dos. We will design this screen. We have to design only two screens. For vertical and horizontal the design are same. If you see here, this horizontal and vertical design are same. Name, age, and hobbies and image, these are same, but for grid it's different. If you see here, name, age, and there are stacked another, so we have to make design another design for this. So I have already this, I will just copy and paste. So let's do this. Okay, so I have implemented this image view, this for name, this for age, and this for hobby. I have just added the text, but text are not compulsory, but for you can see. So I have added this name, age, and hobby. It's for a horizontal and vertical list view, and it's for a grid view. They are line by line. We can make it bold because name is bold. So I don't know how we make this. I will make from here. Bold text style. I will make it bold. It will make it true, so they can see it clearly. No issue. Okay. So I have implemented this. If we see one image view, one for name, this for name, ID is dog name, dog age, dog hobby, and this three only. For this horizontal view, I have did this. So now only we have to implement the adapter and be done. So adapter, here we will do this. So first we have to need data. So what is the data is? So we have to see here. We will check this. Data is okay. We have private well data is equal to data source class, and in this we have dogs, so it's our data. And now here we have to initialize our view holder, so we will do this. So we have 4 items for this. One is dog image, it's a image view, so we will make an image view is equal to view dot find view by id, and remember what the id was, r dot id and dog image, so we will type image, and I think we will get this dog image. Great. And one is a where dog name and it's a text view, it's a view dot find view id I dot id, and it's a name dog name, and dog age and dog hobby we will make this. So it's showing us error because view is not nullable, so we have to make it not nullable, so thus we have to call safely. No, I think that's not right. Let me do it myself. Okay, here and here. So our items UI components are ready, so we have complete this to do, so we will delete this to do also completed, so we will delete this. Now we have to inflate this layout, but remember we have to inflate based on the view, if grid view, horizontal view or vertical view. So for this we will use when, so let's say it. Okay, so we will return the adapter layout, what the layout is, vertical, horizontal or grid. So in our constructor we have provided the integer for layout, I mean it's a property for layout which the layout is. So if the layout dot vertical, it's from that const, if it's vertical then we have to show vertical layout, so horizontal, and but horizontal we have to vertical horizontal, and if else it's a obviously grid, so we have to show grid layout, and we will return this adapter layout. Okay, and here we have to return the data dot size, so we have completed this to do, so we will remove this, and this all to do's are completed also, so let's remove this also. Okay, we have completed it, this is also completed. Now just we have to bind these things, so now let's do it. So here resources is given, what the resources is, context of resources. Okay, that's fine. And we have one item, dog item. For position we will have one item for one view, so dog, we will initialize it as dog item is equal to data. What is data? Data is provided from this data class, as you can hear, this data package. And folder dot dog image, we will set dog image resources is equal to image. In this dog image we have image resource id, we will set this, and for dog name, dog name dot text will be dog item dot name, and for this age and hobby we have to go for resources, because if you see here, let me go to browser, if you see here age and hobbies are the same string, we will in the age number and this property will be changed, these hobbies are in same, so we have to work with resources. So resources dot get string, and dog age and dog name in string we can see this. If let me try if we can go here. Okay, so age and this percentage will be for, I mean, for string editing, this for hobbies, and just two things are for this, and hobbies and dog.item.hobbies. For a one dog there is a dog image, dog name, dog age, and dog hobbies. So we have set this. Now I think if we run this, we can be show our final app if we are not wrong anywhere. So let's run it. It's running. It may take time, so I will pause video. Okay, now our app has been completely built. So if we click on vertical, we can see this vertical view, and back button. If I click horizontal, we can see horizontal view, and if we click on grid, we maybe see grid view. See, it's too easy. So let's see how it worked. So first we will go to main activity. So when we click on button, vertical, horizontal, or grid, which button we will click, based on that we will be showing the view. Like if we pin this here, and if we click on like vertical, what will happen when on this vertical button on click listener, when we click, the launch vertical function will be run. So it will go here, and it will start an intent. What intent? It will start vertical list activity. So what's in this? In this, when we click on this, it will bind the vertical recycler view, and it has two constructor f, as we see in this adapter, context and layout keyword, one type of key. So in this, the key is layout.vertical, and in adapter we have did this in binding. If we see here in view holder, sorry, layout.vertical, if this, then we will show this view, vertical, horizontal list view, and this adapter do its work, and it will set this content, all this content. Okay, so this is how it work. If we see all this for grid, same things will happen for all. This for horizontal, this for vertical, and these are some constants for vertical 1, 2, and 3. This is good practice. They recommend that we have to save this constant like one place, so we don't get misled, or if we want to change them, we just have to change at one place, and it will change to all place. So this is a package for const, and this is for adapter, and this is model. There only we have this dog model. What dog will have one image resource id, which we have provided, and the name string, age is also string, and hobbies is also string. In adapter we can see here this, we have one item, dog item. Here we have dog item, and when we set this dog item image, we set image resource id. For text we provide string as from this model, based on this model, because it already provided code. If you want to learn what is this, if you want to know what is this, so you can know. So this was too easy. Thanks for watching, or you can get the code in this description.